finally got my box from Big Boys with Cool Toys. Finally got it. They said it got turned around on shipping. Interesting way to link two boxes together. So, I got the Arrma mat. That thing's big. And I got my pinion things, my E-clips, because they keep popping off my Arrma like crazy. So, that is the new one. That Arrma mat's so cool. I'm gonna open it up if you want. I had to pay extra shipping for this mat because it was so big. That is a huge mat. It's gonna work out perfect for outside on my bench. It's almost as tall as I am. Yeah, Arrma. All right, that's cool. All right. Now we'll get into the JLU. I'm so excited to get this. I've been waiting weeks for this. You have your normal axial stuff. Comes with your battery, sticker. Usually, yeah. Oh, it comes with the tie rods or the longer link arms. That's cool. So I wondered what electronics were in it. It's the same electronics as the Gladiator. I like these electronics, but I already had mine die in it, so kind of sad about it. It's got one front clip, that's different. Now you take the body off. Ooh. I like it. That's so cool. That is my new part to my collection. This was the last one they had, and then they almost lost it. All right, that's the new JLU. She's got some nice flex right out of factory. The tires are a little stiff, like on the sidewalls, but pretty soft on top. It's like a weird mix. Usually they're just all soft. Especially for something that doesn't have foams in it. Let's see what the lights look like on it. Oh. There, I forgot to plug it in. I need smaller fingers. All right. This is so nice. I like all the stickers that come factory on it. The Scx24 on the back. Wonder if you can put a tire on the back since it has that mount. The slow crawl is pretty nice, actually, for this ESC and motor. That's a pretty nice mix. Wonder what they did different. It doesn't crawl like that on the Gladiator. Has a lot of pep. You almost really it. Cool. So that's our new addition. I also have something else coming today. All right.